So I wanted to make a video for jump starting the 3rd generation MDX. So this is the year that starts in 2014 because I've seen some less than ideal videos on how to jumpstart one. So if you come over here on the driver's side, you can see that this is the positive terminal. However, the negative terminal is covered under all of this plastic shielding. So, per the manual, what you do is you grab the cover of the engine, you pop it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and it should come loose. And it will come off. Set this aside, and your grounding point is right there. So you will connect your negative or your black terminal here, and your positive, you snake right on here. You may have to stretch out the cables a bit to get them to reach, but it is by far the easiest grounding method to get to. So hopefully this helps.